Hi, I'm Marion, and I've been with Wild Horses. I'm in my 7th year. Broncos have been a part of my family. My grandfather's brother had Broncos, always owned them, so we were accustomed to seeing them around. So it was always neat. I always had a fascination with the old Broncos, and then was able to get on here at Wild Horses, eventually buy and own and fix up my own Bronco. Really have been learning a lot and extending my knowledge about the Broncos since I've been here. I never imagined that there would be so much involved in the Bronco, as well as the parts. I mean, all the intricacies of it. It's really interesting, and every day is an adventure. It's really a great place to be. I look forward to going to work. It's like hanging out with your friends and family and really getting to do what I love, being around the Broncos and in the automotive industry. A lot of amazing people, amazing projects that we get to see and be a part of. The Bronco to me is more than just a paycheck. I mean, it's kind of a way of life. It's a group, it's a community, not only of people and of the parts, but the vehicles and their visions. It's really incredible. I spent a lot of time with all kinds of different vehicles. I've always been taking stuff apart and fixing it since I was a kid. I've had Volkswagens, and I've had a Ford Econoline that I did an AOD swap and sniper fuel injection on. So I've always had my hands in stuff. And it's nice to be part of the Bronco. It's nice to see the 2020 Bronco's gonna be coming up and all the excitement around that. There's a lot of history in the making, and we're a part of it, and I think that's awesome. Wild Horses for me is it's more than a job, it's about the community. I mean, I started here as a job, and it's turned into really a career, and I love being here. You know, I love talking to the people each day about their pride and joy and helping them and being able to help. Every day is something new, and that's exciting, and it makes it really enjoyable for me to come to work every day. I'm really glad to be a part of it.